Okay, update on uranium stocks using Cameco as a proxy. CC, that's ticker symbol CCJ. We'll start on the daily chart. I posted on Twitter today. Yesterday we had a sort of a big down day, and then we had a reversal, so red to green, and then we got a swing low today. Right? Again, a swing low is, in this case, above 27.93. That was the high from yesterday. I'll delete this line here, and so today's candle does not look great. I mean, an upper wick like this always indicates a pullback on a lower time frame, and it is definitely a potential reversal candle. I mean, you think about where we're going to open tomorrow, it'll be somewhere like right here. We'll be very close to making a low below this low that we're set here today. And then you have to watch, does this swing low stay in play, or do we go below that? So this doesn't look amazing. Today is day 10. Our high was day 5. We really need a new high above that high from day 5, which was 30.49. Otherwise, we're in a sort of very left translated cycle, because if our high was day 5, then it means we have a long way to go. Look, this cycle was 32 days. This was 27. This was 35. So you can do the math, right? If our high is on day 5 and we have a cycle that's 30 days long, that means we're declining for 25 days. Obviously, it's already day 10, so we've already had a few days since that high, but would not be incredibly bullish. And if you think about the bigger picture, looking at the weekly chart, last week was week 8, and this week, so that therefore is week 9, and we actually have a swing low, or excuse me, a swing high, and a swing high is the exact opposite of a swing low. It's when you go below the low of the candle that marks the high, and in this case, this is the candle that's marking the high. Given that it's week 8, it's very possible that this is our weekly cycle high, also called an ICH, intermediate cycle high. See, we had our high last weekly cycle on week 12, the one before that on week 7. So this could be the top here. Now, we've recovered this swing low, but given the bearish action today, it does suggest we're going to see a dip below 27.67 again, so that we'll kind of re-break that and kind of finish out this candle. So we'll have to see. This line here is a 10-day move, the 10 period moving average. This is the 10-week moving average in this case. We'll have to see if we come back and sort of test this. It does. I mean, I think even if this isn't the weekly cycle high, I mean, we're probably going to get it by like week 12 or 13. So like if we have a reversal the rest of this week and we go up, maybe we have a few more weeks of upside before we start the weekly cycle decline. So you do need to be cognizant of that we are going to get a weekly cycle retracement. And this is your monthly candle. Not looking too terrible. I mean, this upper wick doesn't look amazing, but we are making, multi-month highs. This is a high going back to literally 2011. We've kind of taken out all of these highs here, right? Like, that's really bullish, right? We've taken out a high all the way from, February 2012. We've been descending ever since that. So, we may have a cycle top here. We may have another weekly cycle decline, but I do think there's going to be, a lot of upside here. I mean, look at this period, right? We went up for, let's just put the date, price and date range, from the bottom, we went up a full 1,800%. I don't know if we see a move like that this time, but you imagine something like this is just kind of kicking off here, but we'll have to see.